Hello everybody, getting ready to start lesson 2.2, part 1 of 6th grade math today. And we have a 24-point skill sheet in this lesson, part 1, and we have no points today for note taking. So here, teacher, is today's bell work. Give your students, we have find GCF of these, find GCF of these. Students, if you need extra room, attach an answer sheet. If you're taking this online, make sure you take a picture of that and include it with your classwork when you turn this in. Give your students about 6 minutes to do this. Okay, welcome back for our solutions here for our bell work today. So GCF of 20 and 32, the greatest common factor would be 4 for 20 and 32, and then for 24 and 56 would be 8, and then it would be 18. This is 18 for 36 and 90 would be the GCF, greatest common factor. And then for 45 and 75, your GCF would be 15. Students, if you didn't get that, put a question mark on your paper and I'll get back to you on it. Okay, today's lesson, how do you find and use least common multiples of two numbers? We have an explore activity today in this lesson in the real world section. Classwork, page 1, finding the least common multiple. A multiple of a number is a product of the number and another number. For example, 9 is a multiple of the number 3. The least common multiple of two or more numbers is the least number other than 0 that is a multiple of all the numbers. So finding the least common multiple, or LCM, is the least number that is a multiple of numbers in a set. So example, Ned is training for a biathlon. He will swim every 6th day and bicycle every 8th day. On what days will he both swim and bicycle? So we have to find an LCM for 6 and 8 here in this situation. To do that, fill in here for days in which Ned will bicycle every 8th day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, bike. And then every 6th day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, swim. And then keep marking these out, and then where these coincide, where he has a day where he both swims and bicycles, that would be a day that would be an LCM. Go ahead and fill that in, and teachers give your students about 5-6 minutes to fill that chart in. And their chart should look something like this. So day 6 would be a swim day, and then day 8 would be a bicycle day. So their chart should look like this. You got 100 days on this chart here, and this is what their chart should look like. So where they both coincide, where it's shaded in and circled, that would be an LCM. So it looks like 24 here is the first common multiple, and then we have a 48, and then we have a 72 as a common multiple, and then a 96 would be a common multiple. The LCM looks like it'd be 24 here. And then we continue filling that in here. On what days will Ned both swim and bicycle? Well, we saw that on the other chart. We saw it on 24, 48, 72, and 96. That would be days that had a common multiple of 6. And then here's this chart again. So on what days would he swim and bicycle? It would be 24, the days that are shaded and circled. Those would be the days that he would both swim and bicycle. The number of days are common multiples of 6 and 8, and here they are again, 24, 48, 72, and 96. Just, excuse me, so you don't miss them. They're circled. Okay, what does LCM represent in this situation here? Well, the first day that Ned will both swim and bicycle. That's what an LCM means in that situation. Every 9th visit to a restaurant, you receive a free beverage. After every 12th visit, you receive a free appetizer. If you visit the restaurant 100 times, on which visits will you receive a free beverage and a free appetizer? At which visit will you first receive a free beverage and a free appetizer? So we have 9th visits and then 12th visits. So what's the LCM of 9 and 12? Is kind of like what the question is. 36 and 72, they would be, both these are LCMs here, would be 36 of 9 and 12, and then 72 would be another one. So that would be the answer to those questions there. Essential question check-in. What steps can you take to find the LCM of two numbers? What steps could you take to find the LCM of two numbers? Good question. So that was part 1 of lesson 2.2. Part 2 and 3 are available here at this PowerPoint. And I got quizzes, I got worksheets, I got homework for those that you could email me and get those as well. Thank you very much.